Don't call me the girls, them sugar. I wanna be your lover. I wanna treat you like the queen you are. Girl, who got the keys to my car?
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a basic eyeshadow look where I am using the Morphe 350 palette with a lot of neutral and basic colors. It's very beginner friendly, and of course I have hooded eyes so you guys can see how I achieve my simple eyeshadow look. First, I'm using a transition color. For a basic look, you want to use a transition color that is 1 to 2 shades darker than you. This way, whatever darker color you put below it in that V, that outer V, it will blend in seamlessly. So now I'm taking a color that is close to my skin tone so that I can use it to camouflage that harsh line above the transition color. I'm now taking a color that is about 2 shades darker than the transition color that we used in the beginning, so that I can deepen my crease and kind of give the illusion of me having more eyelid space than I really do. Like I said, I have hooded eyes, so by deepening the crease and dragging it up just a little bit, it gives off that perspective that I do have the eyelid space that I really don't. Here I'm adding just a little bit of highlight color. It's the same color that I used on the lid. I don't know why I did this now. I usually wait until the end to do it, but I just put a little bit of that highlight color there and then blended it out. Going back to the eyes, I wanted to deepen that crease just a little bit more. So I took a darker shade and got in there a little bit more to add some more definition. I noticed that the color that I used before, it wasn't really doing what I wanted it to do. So by using a darker color, I got the effect and the illusion that I was looking for. So after I achieve the depth that I'm looking for with the crease color, I move on to my eyelid, where I use one of the lightest colors in the palette to create a very neutral look. This is a matte look. I didn't do any shimmers, so that it would stick to being basic, being easy, and basically an everyday look. You can use this as an everyday look if you would like. It's very simple. I used 4 colors, and this one is the lightest one. And as you can tell throughout the entire process of me doing my eyeshadows, I blended, because sis, you do not want those harsh lines on your eyelids, because trust me, we see it, girl. We see them colors. We see them. Why are my kids in my videos? Why? Just give me one good reason. moving on to the eyeliner, I usually use the e.l.f. liner in black. It's just something that I prefer. I usually don't do a thick liner. I never do a thick liner because you don't want to take up a lot of your eyelid space. I'm going to keep saying this. I have hooded eyes, so whatever I can do to, maximize that space, that's what I'll do. So the liner, I usually stick to a very, very thin line and try to rock with it. Listen, sis, we all have that moment where we just fuck up sometimes. And it's okay because it's makeup. You can take it off. You can do it over. It's not a big deal. So I got a little bit of it on my eyelid. So you let it dry. Then you use, this is what I do. Then you use a makeup remover and just take it off. And what I'm going to do now is just dry it with a fan. I have my little mini fan at my vanity. Dry it for a little bit and then go back in with my my Morphe 350 palette with that dark brown that I used for my outer V, and then just reapply the makeup. And it's as simple as that. You can mess up and fix it. I promise you. It's just makeup. Use it to your advantage. Mess up, screw up, learn, trial and error, whatever you need to do to better your craft. So I just wanted to point out that you can make mistakes. Now for my lashes. I bought these lashes when I went to Jamaica about a year ago, and I freaking love these lashes. I don't know what the name of them are, but these are one of the best lashes that I've ever purchased in the islands, of course. So I don't have a name or a style to give to you with these. But with my lashes, I apply it with the lash glue. I used to use the bonding glue, but a little bit of the bonding glue fell in my eye one day, and I started getting a huge bubble in my eye that was filled with water. So I decided that it's not healthy, it's not safe for me to use it. So I stopped. So here I am using the lash glue, and I'll post a picture of it here so that you can see which one I use. Alright guys, here it is, the final look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And look out for the next video on how I do my face.
Every good man need a girl like you.